Assessing and reorganizing your finances can be an intimidating prospect, but it doesn't have to be. Hey guys, it's Quinn here at Lendy. In today's video, we will share with you our top tips on getting and staying financially fit, especially in such turbulent times. Let's jump straight in. Our first tip is to check your interest rate. If you haven't compared your home loan interest rate lately, it might be time to do so. With fixed interest rates now sitting below 2%, chances are you can put some money back into your pockets by refinancing or negotiating a better rate with your lender. A lower interest rate can save you tens of thousands of dollars over your loan term, so there's no reason to spend more money than you have to. Our second tip is to make an emergency fund. 2020 has proven that life can be unpredictable, so it's important to be prepared at any obstacles that life throws at you. By putting a little bit of money aside with every single payslip, you are protecting yourself in case any unexpected costs arise. Whether you need urgent car repairs or need to get your wisdom teeth removed, an emergency fund can help alleviate any stress. If you put $50 from your fortnightly paycheck into an emergency fund, you will have saved $1,300 within a year. Most internet banking apps will enable you to automate your payments into an emergency fund account, so you can sit back and relax and watch your fund grow. Our third tip is to consolidate your debt to streamline your finances. This involves combining all your debt into your home loan, allowing you to make one monthly payment. For instance, if you have a credit card, car loan, and a home loan, you can merge these into one payment under your home loan. Home loans typically have a lower interest rate than other loan types or credit products, meaning that you can pay less in interest. An added benefit is that you can better organize your finances and not having to stress about accidentally missing a payment. To be eligible for a debt consolidation loan, you generally need to have a healthy credit score, stable employment history, and a history of consistent, on-time home loan repayments. Our fourth tip is to assess your financial commitments. Now's the time to evaluate your spending and regular financial commitments. Consider canceling any memberships or subscriptions that you aren't using enough. Do you really need 2 to 3 different streaming services? It's the little things that add up. Our fifth tip is to set some financial goals. Goal setting is a great way to keep yourself accountable for your financial situation. Consider what is realistic for your situation and set some short, medium, and long-term goals. Start by creating a savings goal to save by the end of the year. Sometimes you might not know where to start, so it might be beneficial to speak to a financial advisor. Financial advisors seek to understand your situation and help to make your goal reality. Our final tip is to live within your means. When we receive a pay rise or a large unexpected sum of money, it might be tempting to feel the need to upwardly adjust our lifestyle and spending habits to match this new income. If you're serious about getting financially fit, try to avoid the temptation and live well within your means. Alongside your financial goals, it's a good idea to also create a realistic budget that you feel confident in sticking to. So that's it guys, that's our top tips to get and stay financially fit. If you're currently in the market to refinance or consolidate some debt into your home loan, jump onto lendy.com.au. It only takes a few minutes. Our online home loan platform compares rates from over 35 different banks and lenders, and we have a team of home loan specialists who can assist you at every step of the way. If you're looking for more information on finding a good interest rate, check out our video here, where we will share our top tips on how you can secure your best home loan interest rate in 2021. See you there in a sec.